let's fold this one. And then when we open it, we see this line. And then you need to cut through the line. It doesn't need to be perfect, but try and make it perfect. Now I need to fold this one more time. And cut through the line. It needs to look like a tiny card. Now we're going to move out on our green ones. Guys, now I have all my football players. Pink is going to be goalkeeper, so I'm going to do the first letter, G. Now I'm going to do blue for the defenders. So I'm going to draw a big D like this one. My football player cards are ready. I got my goalkeeper that are pink, my defenders which are blue, my midfielders which are yellow, and my attackers that are green. The winner gets this that's under the vase, but we don't know what it is. What do you think it will be? I don't know.
Shall we see?
Open it? Yes!
So, ready?
I will win. Let's start with the rules. First of all, we have to pick a formation. So I got 4-4-2.
4-4-2.
So we need one goalkeeper each. Then you need 4 defenders. And now for 4 midfielders. And then do 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2 attackers.
And Julie has to do the same.
Yeah.
So one goalkeeper.
One goalkeeper.
And then?
1, 2, 3,
4.
1. Midfielders. 4. And then finally 2 attackers.
Okay.
But did you notice something strange? Behind these there are some numbers. Let's set up our formation. So we put the goalkeeper here, the 4 defenders on top of the goalkeeper, the 4 midfielders on top of the defenders, and the 2 attackers on top of the midfielders. Okay, so now this was the setup. Now let's start. But wait, Dany. What are we meant to do with these? What are we meant to play? Okay, we're going to play while I explain how to do it. So first we have to get our 2 goalkeepers. Dany, I have 10. I have 8, so I'll take mine away, but Julie can stay. So then now we're going to get any defender.
Okay, Dany's playing that one.
I'm putting the one.
Number?
78.
And you, Julie? 30. So which one will stay? On
mine.
Danny will stay, Julie away. Now, another defender?
Yes.
35.
29.
Oh.
Yes.
Julie.
Another one.
And one more?
15. 94.
Oh, this time Julie got a point.
Last defender. 8. 61.
Julie got a point.
And now the score is 3-2. Now, any midfielder. 48. 46. Yes. 33. What is this? 17. Yes.
Danny.
51. 86.
Yes.
71. 13. So now, Danny is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now
So
it's the
last
attacker.
2, the attacker.
Get one attacker. 75. 18.
Oh. And the last one?
25.
41, Julie.
I got
So?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points.
And Julie 5. So
The winner of the first match. Now we're going to do the second match. For even this match, we're going to choose another formation. The formation that we need to do is 3-5-2. So
shall we?
now let's pick one goalkeeper.
Mhm.
3 defenders. 3 defenders.
Don't pick a number. Mhm.
Now 5 midfielders.
Mhm.
2, 3,
Julie, what are you
4,
doing?
and 5. 1,
Don't look at the number, Julie.
1, 2. Attackers.
And attackers? How
One.
many attackers?
2.
Mhm.
The second match. Now let's get our goalkeepers. Mine is 3. 8.
Oh, 8. Julie stays.
Defender.
Defender.
I know that my defender's gonna win. Van Dijk. 39.
Julie? Oh, Julie.
But now my second one's gonna win. Sergio Ramos, 42.
Julie? Dun 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 dun. 8?
Marcelo, 35.
Wow, Julie.
Working perfect.
Right. Maybe you'll be lucky with some other player.
Modric.
17. What have you got?
13.
I feel so sorry for you, Julie.
Pogba. 33.
So 33. Wait, I know you get used to take your players away, but this time you must keep yours.
51. 86. Oh.
Yeah! And come on, guys.
Bruno Fernandes. What is it?
46.
Kevin De Bruyne is 71. 48.
48. So
I got 5 for now. I got
wow.
4.
4. It's the same situation as before.
75 Ronaldo. 20.
Oh,
So,
Julie.
I lost already.
I think you've been very unlucky.
18 Messi.
Come on, go with the last one, Julie. Oh, she got 1.
I
So.
got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, so it's 2 for Dany, 0 for Julie.
Let's do 5 months. Guys, we're here in our stadium. All our football players. But for this DIY football card game, the winner is Dany. Oh, Svenja.